Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a mini rainbow, glow rainbow in Roblox. So you have to head over to the roblox.com first of all, or you can go to marketplace in mobile app or iPad anywhere, and just go to marketplace and search for, and you can search here for mini rainbow. And you can scroll down. If you don't find, I can give you a link directly. So I'll give you the link of this item, and it is guys, you can see it looks this is how it will look, and it looks amazing, and it make your character also smaller. And so you have to spend now for 56 robux, but it was in the beginning it was completely free. So might be in upcoming days it can be free. So in the beginning it was free and I couldn't get this, and many of the players already get this free. And so if you have robux, you can spend on it, and it looks cute and amazing in this mini glowing mini glowing rainbow. So hope you like it. And if you have doubt, you can ask in comment section. Till then, bye bye.